Bengal province, and then Bengal province, if you see that, if you have a idea that everyone has been disintegrated, lots of regional division, after which Tughlaq dynasty, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, 5 best decisions. Yes. So thereafter these divisions are there, and you can see that Bengal province, which has been formed after the Tughlaq has been fallen, and they made a separate province, and this after the reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. And then here is not important, Ilyas Khan founded this new dynasty. And then we have to see, like I said, famous sultan was Ghiyasuddin Ajam. What is the famous sultan? Ghiyasuddin Ajam. And who established friendly relations with China and increased trade and commerce. So it is in the Assam, it is in Bengal and near to Assam, and they have made a better trade relations with the trade, and they started growing. And one of the person is there having a good knowledge of art and all, Mr. Maladhar Basu, who has got the title of Guna Raja Khan. And what is the name I said that? Maladhar Basu. And he is a compiler of Sri Krishna Vijaya. He has written what? Sri Krishna Vijaya. Understood? And thereafter we have seen that Shankar Deva and Chaitanya belonged to this time. And then Chaitanya, he was famous for Kirtana. He was famous for Kirtan. Yes or not? Kirtan system which came into existence and all from the Bengal. And then there is the province was occupied by Shershah Suri later on 1538. You know that? In the 1538 he has covered this. And then 1539 there is a battle of Bilgram, and there is a battle of Chausa and 1539 Chausa and 40 Bilgram. And then Mughal commander came, and then Humayun has lost it. So Shershah Suri is coming after it. So हम लोगों ने क्या देखा? बंगाल प्रोविंस. And then Bengali, you know that, थोड़े से कम खाते पीते हैं और पतले रहते हैं, इल टाइप के. कैसे हैं? याद करना है. बंगाली कैसे होते हैं? इल. यस. तो उनको हमने क्या पिलाया? घी. क्या पिलाया? Yes, there is a mixture of what is a fusion of Bengal and Punjab. So fusion, I said that, घी पिलाया. क्या दिया? घी. और धीरे धीरे वो खूब माल खाए. क्या खाए? घी का खूब माल खाया और दूसरी चीज खाए. अब उनके अंदर क्या आ गया? गुण आ गया. क्या आ गया? They have got guna. So I said that Bengali are ill, and I have given ghee, and after getting ghee, इससे आपको तुरंत याद आएगा. After getting ghee, you have also eaten lots of mal, and then also become lots of mal. ऐसे हो गया. कैसे हो गया? And then if you have lots of mal in your mind also, बंगाली दिमाग से बड़े तेज होते हैं. तो क्या माल कहाँ से आ गया दिमाग में? गुना राजा खान. अंडरस्टूड? कोई भी तेज होता है. I said that Bengal की history says so many things. Everyone knows. And then फिर शंकर जी बोलते हैं, अब मुझे I should not do चिंता, I should not do any worry about Bengali. Bengalis are now fit. So that is, Shankar is not doing any चिंता. Shankar, what I said that? Shankar is not doing any चिंता. So again I said that बंगाली क्या होते हैं? इस लाइन को याद रखेंगे तो हो जाएगा. बंगाली what is there? इल. क्या होते हैं बंगाली? शेर तो नहीं, अभी तो शेर नहीं. बंगाली क्या होते हैं? इल. And what they have eaten? घी. And घी के बाद क्या हो गया? बहुत सारा घी खाया और दूसरे माल खाए, मालाधर बसु. And माल खाने के बाद they have got lots of guna. And then what I said that? Just tell me. शंकर जी अब चिंता नहीं कर रहे हैं. So I said that Ilyas Khan founded this dynasty, Bengal province. And then famous ruler was, I said that, Ghiyasuddin Ajam. And during his period, there is one person was there, Maladhar Basu. और माल जहां पे रहता है वहीं पे कृष्ण रहता है, ठीक है। श्री कृष्ण विजय, मालाधर बसु श्री कृष्ण गोपियों के बीच में। एंड देयर आफ्टर वी हैव सीन, यस टेल मी, यस गुण राजा खान, he has got the title of Guna Raja Khan. And during this period, contemporary, who is there? Shankar Deva and then Chaitanya. Understood? Got it? समझ में आ गया बंगाल province? So I am moving towards Gujarat province. Gujarat. And in the Gujarat province, I said that it is broke away from Delhi in 1397, the Jafar Khan, who assumed the title of Sultan Muzaffar Shah. कौन थे? Jafar Khan. Which Khan I said that? Which Khan I said that? Jafar Khan. And his grandson Ahmad Shah first. उनके कौन है son? Grandson Ahmad Shah first. And he built a new city, Ahmedabad. And then he also built Jama Masjid of Ahmedabad and Teen Darwaza. Understood? Jama Masjid of Ahmedabad and Teen Darwaza. And the next prominent ruler was Mahmud Begada. कौन गढ़ा? Yes. तो कोई बेघर हो गया? We don't know. In the reign, Portuguese set the factory at Diu. और इसी समय में Diu पे Portuguese started coming 1498 onwards. You know that. Thereafter, in this period, there it is. It has been, the Gujarat was annexed by Akbar in 1573. And if you remember, I have said when I was doing art and culture, Buland Darwaja. Yes or not? So Gujarat, it has been got free in the, what I said that, 1398, 1397, in that period, and thereafter finally it come under Akbar. So तब तक तो यहाँ पर है Gujarat provinces. So I said that Gujarat mein, who is the famous one, the initial one? Jafar Khan. Yes? Who is the? Jafar Khan. And then after that, there is one, his grandson is Ahmad Shah first, who has built Ahmedabad. Then there is a Jama Masjid of Ahmedabad, and then Teen Darwaja. Understood? Another famous prominent ruler is what? Beghar. Kaun hai? Muhammad Begada. And then in his court poet there was a Sanskrit scholar Uday Raja. Which Raja? Uday Raja. Understood it? So I said that हमने क्या बोला? Gujarat. So Gujarati people doing suffer throughout the India, throughout the whole. Suffer करते he reached Ahmedabad. He reached Suffer, Jafar, Suffer समझते हैं traveling. Zafar Khan. Understood? Suffer करते he reached Ahmedabad. In Ahmedabad he saw Teen Darwaja. What he saw? And three doors are there, large Teen Darwaja. After watching Teen Darwaja, every Darwaja say he is able to see a big Jama Masjid. कहाँ से Jama Masjid? ये जामा मस्जिद हर जगह से उदय हो रहा है. क्या हो रहा है? अगेन आई सेड दैट. हमने क्या बोला? गुजरात पीपल. आपको पता है कि थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड लाइक पंजाब इज देयर. पंजाब का एक ही डेस्टिनेशन कौन सा है? कनाडा. मतलब एंड बट आई सेड, हमने क्या बोला? बट गुजरातीज आर एट सेवरल प्लेसेस. अंडरस्टूड? तो गुजराती बहुत सफर करते हैं. तो दे आर घर वाले होते हैं या बेघर होते हैं? तो गुजराती सफर कर रहे थे. What they are doing? Suffer. And after doing the suffer, they moved to reach to Ahmedabad. And in Ahmedabad, how many darwaja he has seen? He has seen Teen Darwaja. And from the Teeno Darwaja, which picture that we are making, he is able to see Jama Masjid. Yes or not? Jama Masjid. हर जगह से तीनों दरवाजे दिख रहा है. Jama Masjid is coming out. Jama Masjid is coming out. Jama Masjid का क्या हो रहा है? उदय हो रहा है. लेकिन ये सारे जो बंदे देख रहे थे वो घर वाले थे या बेघर हो चुके थे? यस. सो आई सेड दैट गुजरात के लिए मैंने क्या बोला? यस टेल मी. जफर खान. दैट हु हैज एस्टैब्लिश्ड इट? जफर खान. एंड देन आई सेड दैट thereafter I said Ahmad Shah first, his grandson, who has made Ahmedabad. That you can remember. And thereafter there is a coming of, I said, yes, Jama Masjid and Teen Darwaza at Ahmedabad. and the famous poet. ये सारे जामा मस्जिद उदय हो रहे थे. Famous poet is Uday Raja. Which is the famous poet? Uday Raja. And then we have been able to see the another prominent ruler was Mahmud Begra. याद हो गया? And then again I am going back, and then we have seen Bengal province. बंगाली क्या होते हैं? इल. And then उन्हें क्या खाना चाहिए? घी. घी खाकर क्या हो गया? बहुत सारा माल. And then माल खाया, then गुण. Then the lots of characteristic. गुण means lots of characteristic. And then गुण आ गया. Yes or no? और गुण राजा खान उन्हें कहा जाने लगा. And then the Shankar is not having any chinta. Understood? Shankar has not having. So Bengal province was formed by Ilyas Khan. And then I said that Ghyasuddin Azam is the important ruler. And then we talked about, yes, Maladhar Vasu is one of the portion who has written, yes, not written Sri Krishna Vijay. And Krishna, मानो जहाँ रहेंगे कृष्ण जी वहीं रहेंगे श्री कृष्ण विजय. Thereafter I said what he has got the title of Gunaraja Khan. And then I said that Shankar Dev and Chaitanya. And Chaitanya Guru is, Chaitanya Dev is famous for what? Kirtana. Understood? Thereafter we have seen Gujarat, and then I said that Jafar Khan suffer करते हैं. Ahmad Shah first. And Ahmad Shah first I said that he built Ahmedabad, grandson of Jafar Khan. And then there is an I said that Ahmedabad, Teen Darwaja, and then Jama Masjid. And who is in it is Uday Raja, the famous poet Uday Raja. Understood it? And then we have been able to see, yes, tell me, Begra, Mahmud Begra. And then 1573, but annexed. Malwa. Which province that we are going to see? Malwa दिखता है ना? Malwa in the MP. Yes. And then we have seen Malwa was annexed by Alauddin Khilji. याद होगा आप लोगों को? If you remember, I said that Ranthambore, Chittor, Malwa. Yes, remember? I said that, and Alauddin Khilji in 1305 and remained a part of Sultanate until its governor, Diwan Khan Guri, asserted his independence. It was under the governor of what is the Delhi Sultanate. And what is the name of this? Diwan Khan Guri. Understood? And thereafter I said that it became a powerful under the reign of, I said that, Hosang Shah. Yes? किसके साथ? I said that. किसके साथ? हंसने वाले संघ के साथ. And it's he beautified the city with the Jama Masjid at Mandu, Jama Masjid at Mandu, Hindola Temple, Hindola Mahal, and Jahaz Mahal. These are the things are there in the Malwa. And the next ruler was Mahmud Khalji, who was defeated by Rana Kambha. Rana Kumbha कहा जाता है, but Rana Kambha. And the Rana Kambha, after winning this by defeating Mahmud Khalji in the Mewar region, he has Chittor and all, he made an Vijay Stamp, Kirti Stamp, that is, you can understand. तो उन्होंने अपना एक पिलर बनाया. Who has made? Rana Kambha. Kambha he has made Kambha. Understood it? ये चीजें बाद में भी आएंगी. And Malwa became a part of Gujarat in 1531, and later on it has been annexed by what is it? Akbar in 1562. Understood? At 1562 में कौन रहेगा? अकबर ही रहेंगे. Because from 1556 to 1605, who is there? Akbar. Now what we are watching first, I said that हमने क्या बोला? मालवा. हमने बहुत माल कौन देता है? अल्लाह हमें देता है माल. Yes or not? माल कौन देता है? Alauddin Khilji. He was there. So Malwa was under the Alauddin Khilji. माल कौन देता है? अल्लाह. और हमारे साथ हंसता भी है, संग भी रहता है. हसान सा हमारे साथ हंसता भी है, संग भी रहता है, और गुड़ भी खिलाता है. समटाइम गुड़ खिलाता है और हंसता भी है, संग रहता है. हमने क्या बोला? माल. माल कौन देता है? Who gives mal to us? Allah. And also he gives गुड़. गुड़ समझते हो? It's a kind of sweet. बस इतना ही समझो. It is made by with the help of sugar cane. When we are crushing the sugar cane, the rust comes out, and by burning the what is in a rust, then it is coming out the sweet, the red color, something like this, but dark black. It is known as gur. Understood? Huh? जो भी कहते हैं. क्लियर? सो आई सेड दैट हमने क्या बोला? माल खिलाता है अल्लाह. व्हाट ही इज मेकिंग अस टू ईट? माल खिलाता है अल्लाह. और क्या खिला रहा है? गुड़. खानों का मतलब गुड़ का खाने बैठो खाओ जितना खाना है. यस. एंड देन हमारे साथ हंसता भी है, संग भी रहता है. वो सांग सा रहता है या नहीं रहता है? डू यू बिलीव इट? व्हेन यू आर लाफिंग यू आर स्माइलिंग. हु इज? बिकॉज ऑफ हिम. तो यदि वो कुछ अच्छा है वो आपके लिए, तो एवरीथिंग इज डूइंग. हंसता भी है आपके साथ, संग भी रहता है. और कभी कभी जब आपके साथ हंसता भी है, संग भी रहता है, तो कहां पे रहता है? जामा मस्जिद में. और जामा मस्जिद में आपके साथ डोलता भी है, कभी कभी साथ में जहाज में भी घूमता है. कहां पे घूमता है? और जहाज भी आप यदि इफ यू हैव गॉट द सीट एट द बैक ऑफ इन द एरोप्लेन, तो आपको बिहार का मजा आ जाएगा. ओल्ड बिहार, नॉट न्यू बिहार. एंड बिहार में पहले लोग जाते थे, दैट द रोड्स आर लाइक दैट. इफ यू आर सिटिंग ऑन द बस देन इट इज डूइंग लाइक दिस. हिलते रहते थे. एंड इसी तरह if suppose you are sitting in the aeroplane and the seat is at the back, and especially not the south route, but you are in the route from what east to west. Suppose Odisha, Bengal से आप आ रहे हो toward Delhi, then you will come under the jet stream. और jet stream में air cross करते हैं, and jet stream में पीछे वाला ऐसा ऐसा है. एक बार मेरे सीट मिल गया ऐसा ही, और फिर तो मुझे अच्छे से चक्कर आया. So I said that, हमने क्या बोला? What I have said that? जामा मस्जिद. आई सेड दैट जामा मस्जिद में हिल रहे हैं, डोल रहे हैं, हिंडोला. एंड कौन सा है? जहाज में भी. और आप जब जहाज में गए, अब बोले कि यार हमारे साथ अल्लाह रहना चाहिए, मैं यहीं पे खंबा गाड़ के खड़ा रहूंगा. क्या रहूंगा मैं? राणा